How's everybody doing this Sunday morning? It is May the 1st, 2022. We're just out here. We just now got started. Oh, probably about 12. It's a little after 12 now. But see how much we can get done on this. Hopefully I can get quite a bit done. If not all, probably not all though. I still got the underside to do yet. But we'll see. It's a slow process. Sorry about that, but that's the way I do it. Do this when I got time to do it. And it beats the heck out of sitting there listening to the news or a lot of other stuff. But what do you think? What do y'all think about the what do they call that? It's a new office that the uh, our government has put in called the Ministry of Truth. Funny thing about that, I remember back in high school reading a book called 1984. And the Ministry of Truth, I believe, was in that book. I'll have to go to the library and see if I can find it again. I think that was in that book. So it all seems like everything's made up anymore. Can't tell what's true and what's not. So instead of giving my energy to that, I'm gonna do this. And at least I can see my efforts, or what becomes of my efforts here. But it just all seems funny. Like, what is going on? You can drive a person insane just trying to figure it all out. But and I'm not smart enough to do that, figure it out. But I do see a lot of things that don't add up. But so I don't know if we're all being played or what. And you got the war overseas. And then you see some of the footage of that. And you can tell some of it, not all of it. Some of it is computer generated. Then you find out that some of the scenes that the news shows you are computer generated images from video games, which I was never a big player of video games, but and then you can't tell if that's true or not. So we just gotta take it all with a grain of salt. And I'm not paying attention to it anymore. I wasn't paying attention to it a whole lot anyway. As here in my little world, it's all peaceful. I don't want to keep it that way. But I'm working on the bottom part of here, trying to get that worked out. It's working okay. As long as you don't look at them both at the same time, it's okay. But and you start comparing them, they're not looking the same, but the way the grain was down here, this is almost, I had to almost do it this way down here. But oh well, we'll bring you back whenever we got a little bit more to show you. And I'm just going to sit here and piddle on this and listen to a little bit of music. It's 80 degrees out here, and we're supposed to get rain tomorrow, so we might not have a video tomorrow unless we get further along with this. We'll see you then. All right. Okay, I believe she's done. I've got one coat of linseed oil on her, and I think it turned out okay. And that I put it up against that white background to maybe help. Let's see if we can get in here a little bit closer. Maybe that'll show up. That's how the wings are. And I've signed it down here and put the date. I hope the light's okay. That's how she turned out. I think it's decent. Put the other ones up there next to him as contrast, I guess. And that's what I got so far. And tomorrow, well, depends on the weather. It's beginning to cloud up a little bit, but if it's not too bad, it's supposed to be in the mid-60s. That big rock I had up here on the porch, I threw down off the porch out of my way, and it busted into all those pieces. So now I get to carve on, oh, I might get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 good rocks to carve on, some more. Oh, and I still got that green one there to play with, and that little one there, and that one over there. Then I'll probably throw that one down, make sure where the weak spots are. Maybe I can get some bigger pieces out of it, but we'll see. But that's what's planned for next time I do some carving. But all right, we're gonna call it good, and we'll see you. See you when I see you.